Hi friends, today I wanted to show you how to remove the mirror cap because this is not carbon fiber. I'm gonna install carbon fiber forged carbon to match with the door panel. First of all, I'm gonna remove top section, speaker, this and this section. How to we remove, with which tool we have to remove the mirror cap, but I'm gonna show you step by step. Enjoy. Okay, this is easy remove. Okay, one screws here, one screw here, this side, 3, 4, and I'm gonna show you. You have to remove these are, but first the important thing, this panel. Okay. Oh. Okay. Just be careful. Don't make damage to the ladder or Alcantara. You have carefully to remove this section. Okay. I removed this part. Okay, do you see one screw here? Okay. Okay, I removed this. Okay, now I hope you can see the screw here. And we have 2, 3, 4, 5 here, 6. No, I'm sorry, 6 here, and 7 behind this, behind the speaker. I'm gonna show you. Okay. Two. You have to remove the clips. Okay, as you see. You have the cap here, the plastic cap. You have to remove behind that another screws. Oh, okay. This is the cap. Okay, make sure don't damage to edge of the cap. I mean, this is good at this time. Okay, my recommendation, you should have a tool longer than this because this is too deep. It's not reach to the screws. I think this is much better. Do you see? Much better. Okay. This is 1. 2. 3. 4. Do you see 4? 5, 6. We only have one more. I don't know you can see or not. One here. Okay. 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 Should be like this. Okay, because you can't reach to this side without any tool. I'm gonna show you. Okay, I think this is good. What is the number? This is 516. Okay. Okay, let's see. I hope okay, now is loose. You can do by hand, is much faster than tool. Okay, 7, done. Okay, just remember, never put the stick to this section because maybe get a scratch, but bottom is better, no one can see. Do you see a clips here? Okay, I removed the top. Two. Okay, probably, I don't know, this one maybe is better a little bit. Okay. Hold on. Okay, I have to turn on the car because the glass is up. Just I have to bring down.
X band, K band, KA band, laser.
Okay.
GPS connected.
Okay, I'm gonna remove this wire. Remember, I don't know you can see or not. You have 2 wires, but this is important. This is for this kit. Okay, this is for the speaker. Removed. What is the number? 7 millimeter. You have to remove the speaker, okay, because you have to reach to the screws of this mirror to remove the mirror. 1. I'm very picky person, just please make sure when you take off any part, make sure don't make any damage to the car. Okay. Don't touch to the speaker center side because maybe make damage. Only from here. Okay. This is easy. Okay. This is the wire for the speaker. I'm gonna remove these clips. Oh no. Okay, I removed the connection. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna super tight. Okay, this is second. I can't see, unfortunately. Okay, that's all. Don't remove everything, just leave it like that. Right now it's complete. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the mirror. How? I have to hold it. But first of all, by hand is much better than tool. Tool only for losing the screws. And after get loose, you don't need tool, because tool maybe make damage to the glass or a scratch. With the hand is easy, it's not. Do you see the mirror is getting loose? Do you see that? Yes. Okay. Okay. This is the screws first. The second one, maybe at the first is difficult to remove, but you will used to. Where is that? Okay. The bottom. Top. Okay. I'm gonna move here. All right. Now I'm gonna remove that screws. Remember, with right hand hold the mirror, left hand remove the screws. It's not filling down, okay, because right now the mirror inside of the door, but just for make sure, for safety. Okay, I removed this. I'm gonna put here. Okay, now everything is loose. You don't need two person. Two person is much better, much easier, but I do by one person. Okay. Okay, do you see? Removed. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna change the mirror cap because I don't like the same color. I'm gonna install first carbon fiber. That's all. Installation, you have a lot of screws. That's why don't forget. Just put here to make sure. I think put back is better. Here is not good. Here is better. Why? Because if you put anywhere, maybe make damage to the center of the speaker. Okay, this is good to go. I'm gonna leave it here. Okay, now I removed, as you've seen, everything is removed. Okay, my perforation, I'm gonna remove this part too. Why? Because it's too tight. I can't reach inside. Okay, I'm gonna remove the cover to make sure it's not, I'm not making any damage to the panel. Okay, this is the cover. Do you see right now is more space? Okay, I'm gonna put the screws don't forget, when you take off the screws, make sure which screws to which wear. Okay, it's dark. I'm gonna turn on the light. Do you see 1, 2, 3 screws here? Do you see that? I hope you can see. I have to remove that. These are okay. Let's remove it. This is the important thing. No one show you how to remove this part, because about 3 days I was thinking to see with which tool I have to remove that part. After finally 1 day, 2 day, I find it. This is the best tool, okay? Why? Because you can shape it. Without this, it's not possible to remove that mirror, because it's too deep, extremely deep. Step by step, I'm gonna remove. Probably this way, yes. Make sure don't make damage to the glass. Okay, 1 screw is loose. This is super tight space. I mean, so difficult. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I installed the panel, the speaker panel, door panel, covers. Maybe at the first it's very hard to pull out because the spring is so tight, but after one time you will know how to pull it out. Just make sure don't damage. Okay, this is the mirror. This is forge side. Okay. This is dry carbon. I'm gonna lock the door. I hope you enjoy my video and have a great day.